Welcome to my review of NeoGraft Dallas. In this video, I'll be covering everything you need to know about the NeoGraft hair restoration process. NeoGraft is an advanced hair transplant method that uses a follicular unit extraction (FUE) technique, which eliminates the need for a linear incision. If you're struggling with hair loss and wondering if NeoGraft could be the solution for you, this is the video you want to watch. I'll start by walking you through my experience with NeoGraft Dallas, beginning with the consultation process. The clinic staff was professional and knowledgeable, answering all my questions thoroughly. They were clear about the steps involved, what to expect, and the costs. However, they didn't do a great job of explaining the recovery timeline in detail, which could have been helpful to know upfront. When it came to the procedure itself, NeoGraft is known for being minimally invasive compared to traditional hair transplant methods. The process uses a small device to extract individual hair follicles from donor areas and transplant them to the thinning or balding areas. The procedure itself wasn't painful, but there was some discomfort during the extraction. The clinic did provide local anesthesia, so the discomfort was manageable. The recovery time is relatively short, but it varies from person to person. In my case, I experienced some swelling and redness around the transplant site for a few days. It wasn't a major issue, but it was something to keep in mind if you're planning to go back to work or social events shortly after the procedure. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. As for the results, I'm now several months post-procedure, and I definitely noticed new hair growth in the areas where I had thinning. However, the results aren't as dramatic as I had hoped, and it did take some time for the hair to start growing in. I've heard from others that it can take up to a year to see full results, so patience is key. NeoGraft Dallas offers a great solution for those struggling with hair loss, but I would recommend having realistic expectations and understanding that results can vary. It's not a quick fix, and the investment can be significant, but if you're willing to put in the time, the results can be worth it. In conclusion, if you're considering NeoGraft for hair restoration, I'd say go for it if you're looking for a minimally invasive, effective procedure. However, be prepared for the long recovery time and potential costs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews on hair restoration services and other topics.